Hey guys, it's E1 speaking. So we'll be playing today's video, and I hope you enjoy it.
Time to play Super Mario Odyssey on my Nintendo Switch.
Sorry if the emergency alert system doesn't sound like that. Attention all viewers. Sorry for disturbing your show, we're just testing it out. This is Plotagon Logic signing off.
What the heck? The emergency alert system just disturbed me in the middle of my game. That is just rude.
Little Bill, you better shut up and stop whining about a game. It always annoys me when you're always complaining about a stupid little game of yours.
Dad, I don't have time for your jokes right now. I'm really angry right now. I'm going to give the EAS reporter a good beating.
When Little Bill got to the EAS studio,
Young man, why are you here? And why are you angry at me?
Oh, shut up and do not ever move a muscle, you mean guy. This is what you get for ruining my game of Super Mario Odyssey of my Nintendo Switch. So today is punishment day for you. First punishment, choking you with the Force.
Oh ho, oh ho, oh ho. Ah,
Second punishment, pushing you extremely hard. This push will be so hard it will hurt your heart.
ouch. It did hurt my heart. It hurts so much.
Third punishment, pinching you super mega bloody hard. This bench will hurt so much it'll make it bleed, and you'll scream like a girl and cry.
Ouch, ouch, ouch. It hurts so much. Why?
Fourth punishment, drinking hot sauce. Drink up. Fifth and final punishment, feeding you death powder. Now, since you're dead, you don't have to make any more emergency alert systems to disturb us. Enjoy staying dead, you ugly bearded freak.
Little Bill, why did you kill the EAS reporter?
Because he disturbed me in the middle of my game. So that's why I had to kill him.
I don't give a dump of your excuses, young man. You are grounded until someone revives the EAS reporter. Go to your room now.
Why?